Animals frequently attack one another, sometimes rather viciously. But take a look at this, or this. We have many interesting things ahead, so make yourself comfortable and let's go. And this goose finally found a worthy opponent. A snake attacked baby rabbits. Check out the reaction of their mother. This buffalo was surrounded by a pack of lions, but look what he does. Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now. Conquering a 14-foot crocodile? Easy, if you're a tiger, that is. And this crocodile nearly became the prey of a hungry shark. A lion noticed a crocodile nearly while it was out for a swim, but instead of hurrying up, it decided to attack. Not sure what the conflict was between a kudu and a giraffe, but keeping them in the same enclosure was clearly a bad idea. What this marmot must have felt after this encounter with a dog. How to turn a menacing pit bull into a small, frightened kitten in 1 second. And this is an irrefutable victory.
Look at Randy Orton.
And these are porcupine quills in action. Check out the way they give no mind to the leopard. And this turtle caught a snake and is holding it tight inside its shell. The snake had to make some serious effort to get out. A lioness was chasing a zebra, but didn't account for its strong rear legs. And this lioness clearly picked the wrong prey. I will only ever go to the North Pole with this dog. The dogs cornered a little kitten, but they clearly didn't expect things to take such a turn. These two lions were already envisioning a satisfying dinner when suddenly, the herd came to the rescue. Here's Leonardo's training before he became a Ninja Turtle. And it didn't just fight the cows.
I'm gonna get your ass now.
We gotta exercise. Oh!
That seagull shouldn't have even considered taking the food from a sea lion.
World star! Oh!
This is what happens when you wander into a neighborhood where monkeys are in charge. And this is a top level of self-defense. The crocodile thought he found an easy prey, but that was clearly a miscalculation. Did you know that an electric eel can strike its attacker with a power of 600 volts? This poor dog was also not aware. This is how you set personal boundaries. The cat decided to mount a horse, but... Hey, Master Crane, is that really you? This cat doesn't care what to hunt, a mouse or a bear. But this large cat doesn't have the same level of courage. A leopard decided to go after a dog, but thankfully, the dog got lucky this time. A lesson for crocodiles: why you shouldn't eat electric eels. Not only did this warthog get its butt kicked by a zebra, its friends were not very helpful either.
Oh, cool.
Just listen to these screams. The elephant is lucky that it ended well. This is what happens when you pick an opponent from a wrong weight category. Here's a great example of how to hunt. Whereas this is an example of how not to. The dog clearly didn't expect for Marmot's bite to be more painful than the dog's. If you have some idea why the zebra knocked out a wildebeest, let us know in the comments. This snake slithered into a private yard, and the pit bull clearly didn't appreciate this type of guest. Great job! When you're a small animal, but you feel more dangerous than a pack of lions.